convert 0.05 kilograms to milligrams. We were given 0.075 kilograms, and we want to convert them to milligrams. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. First, we will convert kilograms to grams by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. Then we will convert from grams to milligrams by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,000 milligrams to 1 gram. Multiplying through this equation, we see that the kilograms cancel and leave us with grams, then the grams cancel and leave us with milligrams. So solving this, we multiply 0.075 kilograms by 1,000 to get grams, and then by another 1,000 to get milligrams. This equals 75,000 milligrams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.